Welcome back to the Mentor. In this video I will be sharing with you a new project of a data entry. Okay, so let's start it, guys. So here is the client instruction, and it's going to be our sixth project. Okay, so basically he also sent me this picture, guys. You can see, so he already searched this data like on yelp.com, but it's a picture, guys. Okay, so we will be collecting data from yelp.com. Here you can see he already searched this result, and he also in the location he searched PA. Okay, and here, guys, you can also see he also just did a red line that you will know job is to collect the location address and also contact number and then the website. Okay, so here the detail of this project is very simple, guys. So you will need to open yelp.com. so here I already opened the yelp.com website, guys. So I will just copy this location address, okay, I mean the business name. So I have already copied it, and now, guys, I will paste it here. Okay, just paste it, and now, guys, here I will just provide the location address, which is PA. Okay, so then click on the search bar. Okay, after that, guys, you will see a result, and then we will copy data from here. Okay, so now, guys, you can see we got this detail. So now we will collect data from here, and before that, guys, I want to tell you that I try to collect data automatically with the help of web extractor, which I already shared with you in the previous videos. If you have watched my previous videos like this video, like this one, where I share with you a tool which job was to collect data automatically. Okay, but I already try on this, but the tool was not working, and it also blocked my IP. So now I'm using a VPN. Here you can see, guys, basically this website is working in my country, but at the moment it's not working because I was using the tool. But the website don't allow any automation work. Okay, so you will need to do work manually collecting data one by one. Okay, so it's very simple, guys. So you will need to open the first website. So just open it, okay, and just click on it. Okay, and then you will need to start data. Okay, collect data. Okay, so here, guys, you can see is their business name. You will need to copy this business name. Okay, and then you will need to go down. Here you can see their a website URL, then contact number, then again is their location address. Okay, so you will also need to copy their location address and then go to the next entry, guys. Okay, so here you can see at their location address. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, there is their their business name, and if you just go down here, you can see at their location address, but their contact number is not available. Okay, so in this case you can skip it, guys. The client told you that find the phone number for me, then you can use different technique. If I show you also in this video, then the video will be so long, so then you can skip it, okay, if it's not necessary. So then, guys, just click on the next business. Okay, and then you will need to copy their business name and also copy their phone number. And most of them, guys, they have their all information available, but maybe someone don't have. Okay, so here is their business name, then website URL, their contact number, and then location. Okay, so this is the process, guys, of working on this project. So here is the formula which you will need to use, guys. You will need to open the yelp.com. Okay, and then you will need to search this data. Okay, just search it, and then here you will need to search PA and in the location, and you will get this result, guys. Okay, which you already saw. So then you will need to collect one by one. Okay, and then when you complete the first page, then you will need to click here, and you will need to go to the next page and then go on. Okay, you will need to collect all the data. Okay, so the project will be complete. So, guys, it's depend on client. Some client maybe told you that find other data for me, then you will be able to collect other data for them. Okay, so this client told me to collect this data for him, so I just did it, and I already show you the process. I hope you understand. So when you get this type of project, I hope you will do it very easily and there will be no issue for you. Okay, maybe, guys, also if this website is not working in your country, you can also use any free VPN. Okay, so then it will work. Okay, so don't try on any web scraping tool. Maybe your IP will be blocked, so then you will be not able to use this website. Okay, so just do it manually. So I hope you will complete the project and you will practice on it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. See you on the next video. Bye.